Hello there, welcome back, and this is the last video of this course, Career in Service Desk. So let's get started. So what is the prerequisite for this job? What you needed? What qualification needed to get this job? So graduation and diploma required in any stream. Good command over English, good speaking skill will required because of course we are going to support the users, the end user. Good to have Windows OS knowledge and software installation knowledge. Service Desk Analyst. So what kind of call you will receive in your day-to-day activity? Existing ticket follow-up 10%, password reset, account lockout issue 30%, email issues 20%, software installation 20%, VPN issues 10%, mobile related email sync issues 10%. Service Desk, also called as Service Desk Engineer, Service Desk Analyst, Help Desk, Service Desk Engineer Tier 1. IT Service Desk, Technical Support, Desktop Support Level 1, Technical Help Desk, Customer Supports. So this is really good news for you because once you complete the Service Desk Analyst, a single course, you are eligible for the listed job role as well. So what you have to do is once you get the call from the company and they are asking, we are looking for IT Service Desk guy. So you need to ask what are the job role? What are the job description I have to perform? So maybe the interviewer will ask you, just go through your CV. So you need to talk about you completed the course Service Desk Analyst job-based training where I know the software installation, I know the operating system issues, I know the Outlook issues, I know the how to check the internet connection, I know the how to fix slowness issue. So whatever you learn so far from this particular course, you just need to answer it. Okay, and I'm very happy to say this is very interesting, right? Once you complete a single course, you are eligible for multiple roles. All right, so let's move to the next slide. It's all about my journey. So I started my career in 2011 as a service desk L1 support. I spent over there at least 1 year, 8 months. Then I moved to the desktop support L2. Then I moved to the VMware Citrix. While working in VMware Citrix, I started learning on the SCCM, the software, the System Center Configuration Manager. It's a kind of technology where we have to deploy the application, we have to package the software, we have to deploy the operating system. So this kind of stuff we can do in SCCM. In VMware we have, this is just completely virtualization. So we have to create VDI, the virtual desktop interface. Then we have to publish the application. We have to there is delivery controller, there is director, there is VMware, there is vSphere, there is ESXi. So in this role there is multiple tools we have to work on. So after that I moved to the SCCM administrator. I spent at least 2 years on SCCM, and after SCCM I just got opportunity as a team lead. Now I'm working as a Windows System Administrator L3, where I take a look onto this two technology. So whatever issue come under VMware and Citrix and Fox not able to fix it, that will come to me and I have to troubleshoot the problem, and I will fix that. If I will not able to fix that problem, I have to raise another ticket with the vendor, that is L4 support, and that is how it works. So this is all about me. If you want to go to like this, which I went through, you can do so. This is very easy. You have to just keep yourself up to date. You have to just keep learning the technology. This is what I done. All right, so there is another way. If you really don't like the technology, you are not good in troubleshooting, you are really not understanding what is going on, this is not good, I'm not able to fix the problem but other can able to do so. If you are the man, you are not good in technology, you're not able to troubleshoot the problem, I suggest once you complete 1 and 2 years in service desk, all right, just do some ITIL certification, then you can just move to the service desk team lead job. Do some work here at least 2 years, then move to the service desk manager job. spend here at least 2-3 years. Now you are eligible for service delivery manager. All right, well, there is a lot of stuff I can discuss, but I do have the time limitation. So thank you so much for your course enrollment, and I request each one of you to please provide your feedback. Thank you, and bye for now.